5:12 a.m. Pacific time, 113 years ago today, a 7.9 magnitude earthquake shook San Francisco for less than a minute. But the rumbling was felt as far north as Oregon, as far south as Los Angeles, and as far east as central Nevada. The earthquake led to fires, droughts led to mass fires, and the city officials of San Francisco came up with the oh-so-bright idea of using TNT to blow up buildings in the path of the fire. Well, those buildings and rubble ended up catching fire much quicker, and ultimately it was just a culmination of things that led to a real tough time for the city of San Francisco. There still remains some uncertainty about the death toll, but at least 700 are thought to have perished, with some estimates at more than 3,000. San Francisco had a population of about 450,000 at the time of the quake, and 490 city blocks were completely leveled with over 28,000 buildings destroyed. There were more than 200,000 people left homeless after the earthquake. So this seismic event, along with the 1989 San Francisco earthquake, helped lead to much stricter standards and much better construction methods. What's the biggest earthquake you've ever felt?